What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn $10 in 15 minutes. You can do this again and again, and best of all, this is free PayPal money we're talking about. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here on how you can earn $10 in 15 minutes. Now it is super important to watch the whole video, because it's not going to be one site and one opportunity here, but I'm gonna share some tips and insights on how you can earn even more with this opportunity here. So stick till the end, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description. It is related to make money online, internet marketing and a lot more. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, sustainable, long-term online business, then I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $10 in 15 minutes again and again. Let's go! Alright guys, so first off we go to the site, which is intellizoom.com. Now as I said, I'm gonna share some tips and insights here, so don't jump into any conclusions if you've seen this site before. So let's get started to have a look first what this is all about. You can see here it says that your opinion matters. You get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products you love and care about. So basically, more or less, you're going to have to leave a feedback. They want you to test and see, so they want the feedback so they can improve the website or whatever it's going to be. It might be a product or whatever it is. Okay, so you can see here you get paid quickly and easily. If you want to save up for something, you want some extra money, then this is a great opportunity. I'm going to show you, as I said, how you can earn even more, so stick around here. You can see that you make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve these products here. And it says that if you have 15 to 20 minutes to spare, it depends on how fast or how many questions they want to ask you or how complex the project is. And giving feedback is easy. You participate in studies remotely on your schedule from your home or on the go using your own device. So here are some questions that are answered. You can see here, how quickly can I start taking studies? As soon as you finish the registration process and answer 3 basic profiling questions, you are ready to go. So how long are the studies? You can see here most studies take an average of 10 to 20 minutes, so I'm going right in between here, about 15 minutes. Now this is also something to keep in mind, that you need to be 18 years or older. US citizens must be 21 years or older. And how much study invitations will I receive? It totally depends actually, so they can't give you a straight answer to that, because it depends on the demographics, your quality ratings and some other factors there. Now how much money could I make? You can see here that for studies that record think out loud audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. But they also have some standard surveys that you can make $2 on average here. Now what do I need to participate in studies? You basically need a computer, tablet or smartphone, a reliable connection to Wi-Fi, a quiet place and the ability to download UserZoom's e-certified testing software. And you get paid via PayPal within 21 business days. So after the completion of the study, once the results have been reviewed and approved. Alright, most results are approved within 3 to 5 days there. So this is how it works. I think that more or less you can actually just go here and have a look at the details for yourself. but I think it's pretty straightforward. Just go to sign up here and get started with this as soon as possible. Now the problem is here that you can't rely on one site only, so that is why I wanted to share with you some other opportunity that you can earn the exact same amount and do pretty similar task here. So we are going to another site, which is userfeel.com. You can see here we're talking about quick and easy user testing. So what you need to do here is actually test some products or a website or whatever it's going to be here. All right, so if I just go here, you can see you can run a usability test here. But you can see that Userfeel is definitely a popular site here. They have tons of reputations, okay? So what we are interested in is go to the top here and we want to become a tester. Now you can see here, become a tester and earn $10 per test. So it is the exact same amount as the previous sites, and each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes here also, and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Okay, keep that in mind also. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. So you can have a look at the details here, and there is a video that explains everything. But basically, you can see here that they conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps the site owners find and fix usability issues. Exactly as I said, you test, so they ask you, for example, can you find this product? And you say it was easy to find, it was easy to apply and purchase it, and so on. So they know that. If not, they of course want to improve to make it easier for someone who wants to purchase that product. So that is how it works. And you can see here all the details for yourself actually. So let's see here. In order to test the websites and get paid, you need to have a Windows or a Mac computer. If on Windows, you need to have Windows 7 or newer. Your computer also needs to have a microphone. Pretty obvious actually. So it also explains that you shouldn't use your real name. You should use a fake details while you're conducting a test here. In what language, they do explain actually everything in detail here, okay? We do not want a tester to just read what the site says. The client already knows what's on the site. So here, this is actually very important to keep in mind also. Say everything is okay, show off how good they are. So this is a few things that they don't want a tester to do, okay? And we need the tester to perform the required tasks according to the test scenario, speak loudly and clearly. So these are pretty obvious things to keep in mind also. Now how you get paid. You get paid $10 for each test. You receive payment after approval 1 week after the test via PayPal, or if you prefer, Amazon gift cards there also. So this is definitely another site to have a closer look at and sign up. As I said, you can't just rely on one of these sites here. So that is why I wanted to share another site also for you here. And we are talking about trymyui.com. So you can see here when a client arrives here, how can you improve your blog, your concept, or whatever it is, okay? So watch video of real people using your website and find out. So this works more or less just as the previous sites. You can see that they do have also a good reputation. This is a legit site, has been around for many years also. So basically, we want to get paid to test. Okay, so if I go here for this section, you can see that you get paid to use websites and apps and gives you honest feedback. At TryMyUI, we help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps, exactly as I mentioned earlier. And all you have to do is be a tester here, is to be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in real life situation and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience and others like you. And you will be paid for $10 for each test you take. All right. They say here it approximately takes around 20 minutes, so it depends here always again. So I would say the standard would be around 15 minutes. Okay, and of course the most important is that you get paid. They send out payments every Friday actually here through PayPal, so you can get paid faster with trymyui.com. Now, as I said, it's super important to keep in mind that you're not going to get rich with these sites. That is why it's so important also to sign up to as many of these sites as possible, so you just don't rely on just one site here. But if you are interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. They are both related to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.